Welcome to Unacademy Guwahati Board Exam Diaries.
तुम्हारा फ्यूचर तुम डिसाइड करो।
खराब होने का चावल नहीं है।
The CBSE has changed the exam pattern. So
हाँ जी, नेक्स्ट हो गया तो थोड़ा टेंशन में है।
the board exams are here and the pressure is real. Welcome to Unacademy Guwahati Board Exam Diaries. Today we are here at the Gurukul Grammar Secondary School to talk with the parents and the students about their preparation, the stress and the expectation. So come, let's talk with them about their day to day. So we have the parent here who is going to talk with us. So come, let's have a talk with sir. So आपका बेटा या बेटी कौन सा
मेरा
class में है?
बेटी एक्चुअली 10th में है अभी और 10th का एग्जाम देने आया है।
So उसका preparation कैसा था?
प्रिपरेशन देखो, प्रिपरेशन मैंने वो खुद ही हैंडल कर रहा है वो। तो हम लोगों का साइड से मम्मी और ये पापा मेरे तो साइड से कोई प्रेशर नहीं है। वो अपने आप को एकदम कंफर्टली वो लेके जा रहे हैं। मैंने उसका टाइमिंग वो खुद ही सेटल किया है। मैंने जैसे कि रात को उठना है या तो सुबह में उठना है, तो उसका ऊपर में हम प्रॉब्लम छोड़ दिया है उसको।
Very self-disciplined बच्चा है। तो after this exam वो क्या प्लान है उसका, क्या
मेरा कोई प्लान नहीं है, इनका भी कोई प्लान नहीं है। वो उसको हम इंडिपेंडेंटली छोड़ दिया गया। वो तुम्हारा फ्यूचर तुम डिसाइड करो। तो वो डिसाइड किया जाए फॉरेंसिक साइंस पढ़ना है उसको, तो उसके लिए वो कॉलेज भी चूज करके रखा है दिल्ली में। तो उस हिसाब से वो उस लेवल में जैसे कि CBI, CID ये सब में बहुत इंटरेस्टेड है वो। तो उस हिसाब से वो फॉरेंसिक साइंस में चूज किया है। तो उसको नीट नहीं चाहिए या तो JEE नहीं चाहिए, उसको खाली एक ही वो डिसाइड किया है।
career plan is all set.
हाँ वो
अब
अब तक तो है लेकिन इन फ्यूचर क्या होगा वो हमको पता नहीं है, वो उनको ही पता होगा क्या होगा। तो हमको खाली सपोर्ट देना है। तो मेंटली जो भी है, मेंटली हो जो भी एजुकेशन हो, हाँ इमोशनली हो, जो भी सपोर्ट देना है वो हम दे देगा, उसके लिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं। तो मेरा उतना ही है,
Thank
एक ही
you.
लड़की है मेरा।
Another father here who is waiting for his daughter. So come, let's talk with the father. How is he feeling as his daughter is appearing the exam? उसका preparation कैसा था?
उसका प्रिपरेशन तो ठीक ही था।
कुछ extra coaching लिया या extra?
कोई भी कोचिंग नहीं है, वो खुद नहीं लिया। वो उसका टीवी वो ऑनलाइन से किया है सब कंप्लीट।
Then after this exam वो क्या पढ़ने का सोच रहा है? उसका plan कुछ
उसका तो आर्ट्स
में जाने का प्लान है। देन जब वो पढ़ाई कर रहा था, वो जब प्रिपेयर कर रहा था अपना बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए, देन आपने भी और आपका वाइफ ने भी, आपका फैमिली ने भी उसको कैसा तरीके से सपोर्ट किया? कुछ
बहुत सपोर्ट किया, जो मांगता था वही ला के दिया है। तो जैसे पढ़ना चाहता था वैसे ही कर दिया।
अगर कुछ हुआ और गॉड फॉरबिड कि वो एग्जाम नहीं हो पाया, अच्छे से क्लियर नहीं हो पाया, देन आपका तरफ से कुछ बच्चों को आप हाउ वुड यू रिएक्ट, आप कैसा रिएक्ट करेगा?
सवाल ही नहीं है, कोई
खराब होने
का सवाल नहीं है। तो बेटी पढ़ाई में बहुत अच्छा है, तो उसका एग्जाम क्लियर कर लेगा, हमारा विश्वास है। तो उसको खुद का भी कॉन्फिडेंट है।
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
We have some pretty ladies and mothers sitting here, so come let's have a talk with them about how are they feeling today. So, मैम आपसे थोड़ा बात करें, आपका बेटा या बेटी के लिए वेट कर रहा है?
बेटा है,
Okay, तो उनका प्रिपरेशन कैसा है? आपको कैसा लगता है आज का रिजल्ट कैसा होगा आज का दिन का?
वो थोड़ा फास्ट दिन ही मैच हो गया तो थोड़ा टेंशन में है। इससे प्रिपरेशन ठीक ठाक ही, इतना ज्यादा भी नहीं इतना वो भी नहीं, थोड़ा टेंशन में है और हम भी थोड़ा टेंशन में है। पहली बार
हाँ, पहले एग्जाम है ये।
हाँ पहला एग्जाम है आज।
आफ्टर दिस एग्जाम क्या प्लान है उनका, क्या करने का, क्या पढ़ने का, कुछ डिसीजन?
ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है, इतना ज्यादा सोचा नहीं है। फिर भी साइंस में देखता है, साइंस सोच रहा है अभी क्या होगा।
जब वो अपना एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहा था, देन आप लोगों ने भी, आपने और आपका हस्बैंड ने भी
हाँ,
उनको कैसा
support
सपोर्ट
सपोर्ट किया है। मतलब हम लोगों ने इतना उसको प्रेशर नहीं दिया, वो खुद से जो सोचता है, जो करता है वो खुद से करता है। हम लोग सिर्फ उसको सपोर्ट करता है, वो जो बोलेगा हम लोग करता है, ठीक है वही। मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मैं ऐसा बोलूंगी तुमको करना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
So we have a student with us who has just come out after preparing her exam. So come, let's talk to her. How was her exam there? So what's your name?
Nishtha Kashyap.
So Nishta, how was your exam today?
Not so bad, not so good. I have written all of the questions except one. So the paper was kind of
Was it hard?
Yes, kind of hard, but not that much.
So how much do you think you will score in today's paper?
Maybe I'm expecting more than 60.
Okay, all right. So during before your exams, during the preparation course, how did you prepare? Like, how was your preparation?
Good. I have solved few of sample papers and also practice all the questions that my teacher have told me to.
So do you think that the sample paper that you practiced was helpful for you for your today's exam?
Yes, it was helpful.
Okay. So during your and then how much did your parents help you? Like your parents, how was their support for you during your preparation?
They were really supportive and always encouraging me to that you will do good in your exams.
So after your exams and everything, what do you plan on studying?
I'm planning on I'm going to take arts,
Okay.
and then I am thinking of taking writing as my
Okay.
career.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much, and best of luck for your exam tomorrow.
you.
So we have another student with us who has just come out from the exam hall. So come, let's talk to him and how was his exams and everything. So hi.
I'm
What-
Alpesh Bhattacharya.
Okay, so how was your exam today?
The exam wasn't really that good, but it was okay only. The paper was a bit lengthy, but it was easy. Overall difficulty was easy to moderate.
Okay, so recently the CBSE has changed the exam pattern. So did
Yes.
you prepare like yourself according to that sample paper? Have you tried?
Yes,
Very-
I have solved a few sample papers from online sources that I found.
Okay. So how helpful was it for you for today's paper? Was it helpful or?
I think the questions I don't think so helped me that much, but I believe that the time management that I learned from solving the sample papers itself was really helpful, I guess.
Okay, so another thing on the scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best, how would you rate your today's paper?
I think it will be a solid like 6.7 or like a 7 out of
Okay.
10.
So after your exams and everything, what do you plan on doing for your career or for further studies?
So for my studies, I'm preparing that I'll probably choose commerce as a stream, and I'm gonna be preparing for competitive exams, after I complete my degree. And also along with that, I have a thing for computers, so I'm probably gonna learn some machine language and AI and all, since that's really in trend, and it's something that I think it's something that if you know, will probably help you a lot in the future. It's really in trend.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Best of luck for your next
Thank you.
exam. I was like, how was your exam?
It was nice. It was very nice.
How was it tough? Was it easy? How was the question paper?
It was easy. It was easy. Easy. Yes, it was a bit lengthy. Yes.
Okay, so since the CBSE has changed the pattern, did you guys prepare yourself according to the new pattern? Did
Yes.
you
Yes.
try?
I have prepared myself for that.
Okay, so how helpful was that preparation for you in today's exam?
It was really helpful because I am able to attend the competency-based question, case-based question, and 5-marker question. And if the question is bit twisted, so I can attempt that question.
Okay, so on the level of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best, how would you rate your today's paper?
9.5.
Oh wow, that's fantastic.
Thank you.
So we have a student who is just walked out from the exam hall. So come, let's ask her how was her exam today. So hi.
Hi.
Hello. What's your name, my dear?
My name is Sabrina Yasmin.
Sabrina. How was your exam today?
It was mostly good, but like some things were hard.
Okay. So today paper. How would you say? Was it tough or was it easy?
It was in the middle. Like if I studied more, it would have been much more easier.
Easier. Okay. So CBSE has changed the exam pattern. So they gave some time. So did you try the sample papers?
I did like 1 or 2, but not many.
So was it helpful to you, like in getting the exam pattern, getting the idea of how
Yeah,
the exam pattern is?
Yeah, kind of like a little, but not.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best, how would you rate your exam today?
6.5.
Okay, thank you so much. So guys, that was it for the day. We'll see you soon with another video. Until then, let's crack it.